When they say it's about nothing, man, I tell them it's my life. Man, I chilling in the studio, man, I vibing, it's my life.
Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this fabulous hair that I'm rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay divas, so before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by Zury Hollywood. So thank you so much, Zury Hollywood, for sponsoring this video. I greatly appreciate it. But yeah divas, if you guys are interested in the details and the specs on this hair, then go ahead and stay tuned.
They love how I spit it, they know I'm gon' kill it, and they know I'm gon' kill it. When they say it's about nothing, man, I tell them it's my life. Man, I chilling in the studio, man, I vibing, it's my life. And to play, then they use me to play. Man, I vibing all day. Man, I use me to play. I counting up these stocks, just trying to make a million. Spitting these bars from deep down within.
Okay divas, so I'm here to give you guys my closing thoughts and everything on this weaving hair by Zury Hollywood. So I did just cut the card off here so that I can be able to give you guys the information, because I know I kind of sped through it because it was just, I wanted to show you guys like what the packaging looks like, especially in case you wanted to go and purchase this unit, or not this unit, excuse me, I'm so used to doing units, sorry, this hair, because this is weaving hair. I did construct it into a unit. If you guys would like to see me construct a unit featuring maybe another type of curl pattern, because I believe they have 3 with this collection with the V8910. So if you guys would like to see me do a video on that, I will more than gladly do that. I just hadn't gotten too many requests, that's why I didn't do it, and I'm just here to give you guys like how I feel about the unit or the hair. So anywho, this is their one pack enough V8910. Today I have it in the style Wanda Curl, and I have it in the color Som Berg. So it's this beautiful burgundy color, and the colors come in 1B 299J, FS 1B30, Som 2730, Som 3033, Som Berg, and Som Hot Red. So I was reading it off of here. So it does come with 3 bundles of hair, as you guys know, as well as a closure. So you do get a closure piece in case you want it. I particularly don't like the closure piece and how it looks. It kind of looks like the unit. I did review the unit version of this hair, so I will leave that in the description box below in case you want to see if you want to just buy either the crochet hair, this weaving hair, or if you want to buy the unit. So I kind of just put it to the side. I feel like with this type of style anyways, I don't think that a part is cute. I feel like it's cute if you have like bangs or kind of like flip it to the side. That's just me personally. You can do whatever you want, but that's what I like. So yeah, it does come with the closure and 3 bundles. The bundles, again, the lengths come in 8, 9, and 10 inches, which is really good. So for me, I did want that V shape this time, so I did go ahead and install the shortest length at the bottom and the longest length at the top. So I installed the 8, 9, and then 10 at the top. Of course, I did also install the closure. So overall, what I think about this is that this is really nice. My cousin actually liked the unit that I had, the unit version, but she wanted the crochet because she just loves her crochet. So I did install it for her, and it took forever. Like, I wish she would have saw this, because you know, or this would have been out. I wasn't sure, I'm not sure if it was out yet, but I wish she would have saw this, because this is so much faster in my personal opinion than the crochet, because you have to crochet them one at a time, where this is on tracks. So yeah, I definitely like this option better. Either this or the unit would definitely be my choice. You guys can let me know what choice you would make, like what you like better, the crochet, it on tracks, or the unit version. So overall, I do like the hair. It's the exact same as the unit, so I do really like it. I think that it is really, really pretty. I absolutely love this color. I'm glad Zury chose to send me this color, because I definitely probably wouldn't have tried this color like on my own, to be completely honest, but this color is really, really gorgeous. So yeah, I am glad that they did decide to send me this color. And overall, I just really like it. The hair is really bouncy bouncy and soft, and it's just beautiful. And like I said before, I don't have too much to say about it because it's the exact same as the unit. So I really do like this. It's really gorgeous. I love these wand curls, and they're like really super natural and bouncy, and I just really do like them. Like, they're just so gorgeous. So like I said, I think this is just definitely a better alternative to the crocheting method. I just feel like this personally is faster, especially if you make your units like me, or if you install it like me and use the hot glue gun method. Like, it's gonna be way faster, and I just really like it. So yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you guys did, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous divas, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit the notification bell. I do upload quite often, girls, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous fabulous divas in my next video. Bye.